Hello, welcome to Riri World. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun.
Baa baa black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa baa black sheep, what do you do next? I pack up my wool and head down the steps. 1 for the baker with flour on his nose, 1 for the gardener with dirt on his toes. Baa baa black sheep, why do you share? Because giving is kind and I always care. Wool for the cold and wool for delight, to keep friends warm all through the night. And so baa baa black sheep with heart full cheer,